century. Today, let's talk about how to set small goals that are simple, clear, and truly achievable. Small goals help us stay motivated and keep moving forward every day. Step 1. Pick one small goal. Start by choosing just one small goal. It could be anything that matters to you, like drinking more water, walking 10 minutes a day, or reading one page daily. Remember, small goals should feel doable and not overwhelming. Step 2. Be specific. Be clear about what you want. Instead of I want to exercise, say I will walk for 10 minutes every morning. Being specific makes your goal easier to follow. Step 3. Break it down. If your goal is big, break it into tiny steps. For example, if you want to read more, start with 5 minutes each day. Little steps add up to big progress. Step 4. Set a time limit. Give yourself a time frame like this week or this month to finish your small goals. Deadlines help you stay focused and make your goal feel real. Step 5. Make a plan. Think about when and where you will do your goal. For example, after breakfast, I will drink a glass of water. Linking your goal to an existing habit make it easier to stick to. Track your progress. Keep track on your efforts. You can use notebook, an app, or a simple check of your days. Seeing progress, even small, motivates you to keep going. Step 7. Celebrate small wins. Every time you complete your small goals, celebrate it. It builds confidence and joy in your journey. Remember, small goals lead to big changes. Start easy, stay consistent, and watch yourself grow every day. You have got this. If you like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.